Welcome to TuscoMFG, where innovation, quality, and community intersect. Our journey began in 1949, founded by 8 visionaries from the JC's civic organization. Their mission? To provide quality, well-paying jobs and make a substantial impact on our clients' businesses. Today, TuscoMFG stands as a beacon of innovation among custom metal fabricators, never forgetting our roots in community and excellence. At the heart of TuscoMFG are our core values: respect, accountability, and initiative. These principles guide our operations and our relationships with our partners, within our team, and in the community. Led by CEO Mike Lauber, we're committed to pushing the boundaries of what's possible, from our beginnings to our breakthroughs in the industry and our community contributions, like raising over $800,000 for STEM education. Our capabilities stretch far beyond the ordinary, from metal cutting and forming to welding, coating, and even custom woodworking and plastic fabrication. TuscoMFG does it all. Our end-to-end services mean your project stays under one roof, ensuring quality, efficiency, and innovation at every step. With Tusco, your needs aren't just met, they're anticipated. Choosing TuscoMFG means partnering with a company that's on spec, on time, and on budget. Our strengths in design, engineering, and prototyping set us apart, offering tailored solutions that elevate your project from concept to delivery. With our advanced technology, like our Trump fiber optic laser and our dedication to mixed media projects, TuscoMFG is your partner in innovation. Join us in forging the future. TuscoMFG, where your vision becomes our mission. Contact us today to start your project.